So here's my parcel. It's come wet. It's got a big dent in the back. The prick didn't even ring the doorbell, but there you go. He never does. Lazy cunt. So with that, I'm gonna stick you back up there. Hopefully it's still recording. Absolutely soaked. The bloke who sells these is awesome. So we'll have quick checks, see if everything's alright. A few little scratches. Don't fucking worry about the scratches. Do you know what I mean? But the delivery driver, he's a fucking knob. Absolute fucking knob. He's put them in people's gardens down the road, out the back in other people's gardens. Wait till I fucking get the fucking screen recording of the camera I just put up. Didn't even ring the fucking bell. He's a right fucking knob. Quite greasy. Sharp, which is the whole point. One axe. Lovely jubbly. Now axe number 2. Which is my tomahawk. Which is the one I wanted. For like ever. For like ever. But yeah, if you go on ESTA or STA, whatever the app is called, his name's Zed, S-E-D. Anyway, I'll post all the information when I post this on Instagram, not Instagram, on YouTube, because I send it to EV or EV. EVRI, I sent it to them because the prick has lost loads of stuff, damaged loads of stuff. Do you know what I mean? Nice. Very sharp. Nice straight handle too. So yeah, pretty sure that goes on that one. Few marks on it. Damn, I just marked my fucking best t-shirt. I guess it goes on that way. But yeah, there's a few marks on the back. And a few marks on the front. As you can see. But that's expected in being in transport, you know, these marks here. But yeah, I fucked off that I fucking just oiled my shirt. My best shirt too. Tory. Very little help. Because they're fucking communist fucking cunts. It's all about saving their money and killing us off. And that's it. So that's my two axes.